Look what finally came! It is the Fab Fit Fun Summer Box. Hello, my name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways. I've got a giveaway for you in today's video. Let me set this down. I do want to welcome anybody who is new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of June, it is the Natasha Denona Coral Palette. This is mine. I have a brand new one for you. If you look under current giveaways in the description box down below, it lists all of my current giveaways. So, and it talks about how to enter this one, as well as my many others that I've got going on. Some of them are ending pretty quick, so make sure that you have entered those. My giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed. For this FabFitFun one here, there's going to be a secret word somewhere in this video that you're going to need to know. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. And it's mainly these blue shades with right here, along with this brown as a transition shade. So if you are new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. It ships out $49 a season and you get 8 full-size items for that price. They also have an add-ons that you can do, and my next video, I believe, will be the mystery bundle that I picked up along with this one, and there'll be a giveaway in that one as well. I do have a code if you're interested in checking out FabFitFun. It saves you $10 off your first box, and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. If you do use that code, I thank you. Obviously, no obligation to do so. I also have some starter boxes to give away, and how the starter boxes work is you give me your name and your email. I send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun will send you an email saying, hey, Christina recommended you to try it out to get a starter box. The starter boxes have over $75 value in it, and all you have to do is pay for shipping. As of right now, FabFitFun does only ship to the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. And what you basically do is you sign up for FabFitFun. You do have 21 days to cancel it if you want to, but I've really liked FabFitFun. They are my longest subscription that I have. I do like how they switch things up at this time, where you can customize if you're an annual member, and it brings that $49 box price down, and you get to choose all of your items, and you never got to choose that before. So I'm happy and excited to share with you what I picked. It looks like there are a couple HelloFresh cards in here. There are these cute stickers. It does come with a little magazine that talks about the products, and another HelloFresh, so I got 3 of them in here. There's a $45 credit to Bright Sellers. So for your first choice, you got to choose between Summer Fridays CC Me Serum, PMD Clean in Teal, Summer Salt Neoprene Beach Tote in pink, red, or blue green, Virginia Wool Multi-Wear Wrap, Society 6 Outdoor Blanket, Society 6 Wine Chiller, L Space the Tie-Dye Towel. And I did choose the PMD Teal. It does retail for $99. Cleanse and tone the appearance of your skin with a smart facial cleaning device, which cleanses the skin with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. It has sonic glow technology, ensures a deep cleanse, helps to minimize the appearance of enlarged pores, made of hyaluronic silicone. It's gentle enough for all skin types, used with your favorite cleanser. I got this because my Clarisonic is on its last leg and I needed a new cleaning device. For choice number 2, you could have got the Draper James Ruffle Nightie. the We Detox Shampoo Scalp Massager, the Millie Jewelry Case, the OBE to Resistance Hip Bands, the Ray and Dunn by Magenta Guac and Salsa Bowls, the Sonics Bluetooth Speaker, Tarte Drink H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, Business and Pleasure Co. Cooler Bag. I did choose the We Detox Shampoo and Scalp Massager. Give your scalp and tresses a deep cleanse with clarifying shampoo and scalp massager. Shampoo cleanse away dirt, oil, and product buildup. Shampoo features apple cider vinegar and hair strengthening keratin. Scalp massage nourishes and strengthens the scalp, founded by celebrity hairstylist Jen Atkin. Let's open up that massager, and then here's what it looks like. Really get in there and work the scalp. Okay, customization number 3. You could have got the Corksicle 12-ounce wine tumbler with silicone straw, Supergoop Unseen SPF 40. That was a US only product that you could choose from. Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. That was a US and Canada one only. AG Hair Recoil Curl Activator. Poolside Water Resistance Pouch. Bubble Bar Build Your Own Bracelet Kit, Malin Goats Vitamin E Face Moisturizer, Nectar Blue Light Blocking Glasses in Round Eye Brown Tortoise. So it is basically like a stemless wine glass. It does have a lid here that you can make sure that it has the opening. You can slide to make sure your favorite drink doesn't spill. It will keep your drinks cold and your hot drinks hot. And then I don't know if you can see it. There is a spot there, perfect for your silicone straw. Cannot wait to go to the lake with this one. Choice number 4 could have been Essentials Vitamin C Facial Serum, Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray, African Botanicals Shimmering Gold Oil, TF Publishing Brain Teaser, plus Activity Book Bundle, Games, Puzzles, and more. I did choose the Vitamin C Serum. I've heard really good things about that. The one that I'm using right now, it is turned and it smells like burnt coffee. And I'm not even a coffee drinker, and it's like this. So here's what the packaging on this one looks like. For customization number 5, you could get from Mended Cosmetics liquid lipstick in blood orange, peachy keen, or blacker the berry. That is a US and Canada only choice. From Mind Tan Body Skin Recovery After Sun Gel, Soar Selfie Ring Light, Dr. Brandt Pores No More Purifying Cleanser, Flight Mode High Altitude Hydration Mask. To the Market Melanie Painted Tray, Ipari Cutting Boards Set of 4. I do like Dr. Brandt products, and I did choose the Pores No More cleanser. Your Corksicle was $35. The vitamin C is $45. It does retail for $36. Removes makeup residue and dead skin while banishing sebum and decongesting pores. Non-drying, deep cleansing formula that exfoliates dead skin cells, leaves skin with a mattified, clear complexion. So for 6, 7, and 8, they kind of did in bundles. I did choose the Ico Art & Cook and Aria bundle. The total of the bundle does retail for $55, and what it includes is the Ico Double Act Shadow Stick in Cookies and Cream. This eyeshadow stick features 2 natural shades that can be taken from day to night. highly pigmented, blendable, and buildable. A warm biscuit golden brown paired with a shimmery champagne cream. Smudge proof up to 8 hours. Includes a sharpener. Let's see if I can. And here's your sharpener, kind of right here. Secret word, lovely day. I was really excited by this. Let's open this up because I don't have anything like this and I've wanted one for a while. So this is the Art and Cook Citrus Squeezer. When life's hands you lemons, juice them in this squeezer for the freshest juice ever. Custom designed squeezer, strong and built to last. It does seem like it is pretty sturdy. It's got the holes here for the juice to come out. I started, because I have strawberries out in my garden and I also have some mint. So in the mornings I'll go out, pick a couple strawberries, put some mint in, and I either like to slice up either some lemon or some lime and put that in kind of a water in a pitcher, and then I drink that throughout the day. And I thought this would be really cool to put, maybe try and squeeze some of that extra juice out. And then it also comes with Aria Beauty reusable makeup swabs. Use these reusable makeup swabs to blend out your concealer, fix any eyeliner mishaps, shapen your brows, and more. Made of medical grade silicone tips, great for on-the-go touch-ups, washable and reusable, not for use in the ears or nose. It does come with this little case. Helps if I turn it the right way. I was trying to force it the wrong way. But you just slide like this. That's kind of spring activated. And then it has these two Q-tips here. One has more of a rounder point. The other one is more pointy. So anything I can do to be more environmentally sustainable, I'm trying to do. So love this choice. So I thought it was a pretty good box. It was over a $308 box. You spent $49 to get the box. So I liked some of their past boxes better. One of the things that you can do is if you decide, I don't really like anything in this box, you can now skip a box as well. So I'm glad that they've given you that choice. So what do you guys think of the box? What was your favorite thing in here? I love chatting back and forth with you guys. So let's give away that Ico color stick with the sharpener. It's why I didn't open it up from the sealed packaging. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to only fill it out once and put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel, and then also put on it that secret word. You can get bonus entries if you follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beauty AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. If you follow me over on Twitter, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra one as well. Please make sure if you do mark on the Google form link that you did the bonus entries, that you actually did do them, because I do check. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you. I love brightening somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. Let's have this giveaway go through July 16th. Then on July 21st, we'll do our little spin the wheel where I will put in the people's first names and I'll let the computer know if they have bonus entries or not. I get that information from your Google Forms. Speaking of your Google form, your privacy is very important to me. So on that Google form, I only put in your first name and first initial of your last name. Nobody else has access to that Google form except for me. I do not sell that information. And as soon as the giveaway is over, I go and delete that form. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. No drama. Everybody's really supportive of one another. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark that to all. If you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings, mark those, so that way you know when I upload, and that way you definitely know when I do giveaways. Because as you can see from the description box down below, I do them a lot here on this channel. I love giving back to you guys. It brightens my day when I can make somebody else happy. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.